Collection of mowing robot application scenarios. Equipped with a crawler track walking structure. Equipped with Baidu navigation for precise mowing operations. Highly efficient mowing operation, saving time and labor. Equipped with an intelligent perception system for high operational safety. Cloud and app platforms for data recording and analysis. Hybrid power system with automatic charging during mowing. 360 steering capability for highly flexible turning. Suitable for photovoltaic power stations, orchards, park lawns, airports, etc. Application in photovoltaic power stations. Safe and reliable operation, enabling remote, intelligent management, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Application in standardized orchards. Easily adapt to different terrain changes. Simple and easy to operate, worry-free and effortless. Application in gardens. Suitable for maintenance of various municipal, circular forests and grasslands. Application in airports. Improve intelligent management to ensure the safety of ground operations. Application in industrial parks. Intelligent navigation, adaptable to complex terrain. Reduce labor intensity and lower operating costs.